Are you ready to uncover the tech secret that's got the coding world buzzing? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence transforms the way you create apps, making them faster, smarter, and more creative. Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Google's latest brainchild, Project IDX, is set to do just that. It's not just another app building tool. This browser based AI development platform is a game changer, and I'll show you why. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of Project IDX. So, what exactly is Project IDX? According to Google's official blog post, Project IDX is a groundbreaking experiment aimed at enhancing full-stack, multi-platform app development. It's essentially a cloud-based integrated development environment or IDE that operates right in your web browser, allowing you to effortlessly create, manage, and deploy web and mobile applications using popular programming languages and frameworks. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. It seamlessly integrates with Google Cloud and Firebase, providing you with easy access to cloud services and app hosting. Pretty cool, right? But hold on, the real magic lies in the heart of Project IDX. Meet Cody, your AI coding companion. Cody is a fundamental AI model, specially trained on code and built upon Palm 2. Think of Cody as your coding assistant, here to help you write code faster and better. It brings to the table a set of powerful features, including smart code completion, code generation, code chat, and contextual code actions. Let's break these down in simple terms. Smart code completion. Think of Cody as your coding sidekick. When you're tackling a coding project and you're unsure about what to write next, Cody steps in with helpful suggestions. For instance, if you're creating a function to calculate the area of a circle, Cody will offer the right formula to use, making your coding journey a whole lot smoother. Code generation. Cody can be likened to a code wizard. It can generate code for you, and all it needs are plain language instructions. If you want something as straightforward as a button that says "Hello World," all you have to do is ask Cody, and it will conjure up the necessary HTML and CSS code for that button in a blink of an eye. Code chat. Cody serves as your conversational companion in the world of coding. Whenever you encounter coding challenges, need to grasp new concepts, or seek information, you can turn Cody for assistance. Say you're curious about using async await in JavaScript. Not only will Cody explain it in easy-to-understand terms, but it will also provide you with valuable examples to make things crystal clear. Contextual code actions. Cody takes things up a notch by helping you refine your code. This could encompass tasks such as adding comments, making structural adjustments, enhancing formatting, or suggesting more fitting variable names. And the best part, it tailors these suggestions to precisely what you're working on at that moment. In essence, it's like having a seasoned coding mentor right by your side, guiding you as you craft your code. All these remarkable capabilities are made possible by Palm 2, which is Google's advanced large language model. Palm 2 has been supercharged to understand and work with multiple languages, think logically, and most importantly, handle code fluently. Its training involved an extensive dataset, including billions of words from diverse texts and source codes in various programming languages. This training equips Palm 2 to comprehend both regular language and coding jargon, enabling it to produce outputs that are not only relevant but also spot on. It's an exciting leap forward in the world of app development. Let's dive into Project IDX, a versatile tool that's all about development and learning. It's like your coding companion, offering interactive tutorials and real-life examples for various frameworks and languages. With its special feature, Cody, you'll get answers, feedback, and tailored suggestions no matter what your experience level is. Plus, it can easily connect to the Project IDX community, switch between languages effortlessly, and even earn rewards as you progress. In a nutshell, if you're eager to level up your skills in frameworks and languages more efficiently and enjoyably, Project IDX might be your new best friend. Now, let's talk about how Project IDX stacks up against two other AI-assisted development tools, GitHub Copilot and Amazon Code Whisperer. While they share some common features, there are some key differences to consider. Project IDX is designed to be a versatile AI-powered development tool suitable for a wide range of development tasks across various platforms. It currently supports frameworks like Angular, Flutter, Next.js, React, Svelte, Vue, and programming languages such as JavaScript and Dart. Plus, they're working on adding support for Python, Go, and more. Project IDX also seamlessly integrates with Google's cloud services and hosting options, making it a comprehensive solution. On the other hand, Copilot is your go-to tool for code completion and is compatible with Visual Studio Code, supporting a variety of programming languages. However, it doesn't cater to web or mobile app development and lacks cloud service integration. Code Whisperer, on the other hand, specializes in code generation and works in tandem with Amazon Web Services. It supports a limited number of languages like C, Java, JavaScript, Python, and TypeScript, but similar to Copilot, it doesn't cover web or mobile app development or cloud integration. The choice between these tools ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. So, take a closer look and find the one that best aligns with your goals. Additionally, Google introduced Project IDX back in August 2023, granting early access to selected developers who signed up through their website. Since then, hundreds of these developers have been putting Project IDX through its paces, and they've had some remarkable insights to share. From the testimonials Google has made public, it's evident that many developers have found immense value in Project IDX. They praise its user-friendliness, its blazing speed, and its smart design. They've noticed that it helps them work more efficiently, make fewer mistakes, and even pick up new skills in the process. One of the standout features is its seamless integration with Google Cloud and Firebase, making it a breeze for developers to deploy and manage their apps. As a result, they've been using Project IDX to create a wide array of applications, from chat apps and weather apps to quiz apps, calculator apps, and even blog apps. Now, let's talk about the reality of Project IDX. It's an exciting venture, but like any experiment, it's not without its fair share of challenges. You see, it's still in the experimental phase, and there have been some hiccups along the way. Some developers have noticed that Cody, a key component of Project IDX, can at times offer code suggestions that are, well, not quite right or even unrelated to the task at hand. There have also been instances where Cody struggled with complex or vague natural language instructions, and occasionally, it gave conflicting advice during code conversations. Technical woes have cropped up too, such as browser crashes, freezing issues, and compatibility problems with specific programming languages and frameworks. The good news is, Google is well aware of these challenges, and they're committed to making Project IDX even better. They're actively working on improvements and are encouraging developers to report any bugs or issues directly through their website. It's a collaborative effort between Google and the developer community, and together, they're on a mission to refine Project IDX for a brighter coding future. And the question is, what's on the horizon for Google's Project IDX? Well, if we look at their blog post, they've got a heap of exciting plans to take this groundbreaking project even further. They're gearing up to broaden their support to include a more extensive array of frameworks and languages, think Python, Go, Ruby, Swift, Kotlin, and many more. The aim is to make Project IDX as versatile as possible. But that's not all. Google's got big dreams to offer more choices for cloud services and hosting. They're eyeing platforms like Google App Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine, and Google Cloud Run. Plus, they're keen to make Project IDX play nice with the wider range of integrated development environments or IDEs and editors such as Android Studio, IntelliJ IDEA, and Sublime Text. This means more flexibility for developers. They're also diving into the nitty-gritty of coding with plans to introduce a bunch of new features. Think code refactoring, testing, debugging, and better documentation. And for all you Cody fans, get ready for some spiffy enhancements in code chat functionalities. They're even looking to add more AI models and capabilities like image generation, speech recognition, and understanding natural language. It's all about giving developers a toolbox full of possibilities. In the bigger picture, Google is exploring how Project IDX fits into their grand AI strategy in the whole world of development tools. They want it to be an open, collaborative platform that can work in harmony with other AI-powered tools and services. It's a glimpse into an exciting future of coding. And there you have it. The world of coding is evolving faster than ever, and Project IDX is right at the forefront of this technological revolution. Now, the big question is, what's next for you? Are you ready to embrace this cutting-edge technology and supercharge your coding skills? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Your journey into the world of coding has just taken a remarkable turn, and I can't wait to see where it leads you. If you enjoyed this video, you might consider watching the next one.